and welcome back to Insta360 TV. Today we're going to do something really fun and random, and we're going to let AI decide our editing and body movements. In the process, I'm going to show you exactly how to use 3 cool new ShotLab features, and we're going to be using the One X2, but the good news is you can also get these effects using the One R. So let's get to it. The effect from the intro is called split jump, and this is how you do it. Extend your selfie stick fully and move it backwards as you jump. When you're jumping, you're probably not going to be in the air for very long, so let's slow things down and change the shooting mode to 3K 100 FPS. And repeat this in 6 locations. Good workout. Now we're going to let AI do the post-editing. So we're going to go to split jump after connecting our camera to our phone. Use this theme, and then the 6 jumping footages, I'm going to select them and import them into the template. Wait for the AI to analyze the footage. And then our 6 clips are ready to go, so I'm going to select all of them. Go to export. Now let's see what the AI's got for us for this one. If you were wondering what the hell that was, it's the Pixelize effect. We're letting AI decide the moves today, so let's get a little bit freaky. Camera on a tripod, shoot in 5.7K and dance around like no one is watching, even if people are staring at you. Now it's time to see what AI is going to do for us for this one. So let's head over to Pixelize effect and choose the dancing footage. Then you just long press to hold down on the target, because basically what the app does is analyzes the movement of the subject in the shot. So we're going to track the dancing around, generate a preview, and if you want, you can spice up your footage a little bit more and add an auto-generated barrel roll. The result? It is time for a change of scenery for our final effect, so let's head into the city and I'll see you guys there. Final effect for today is the giant jump, so grab your tripods and let's get to it. We're going to put our tripod down and stand around a 1 meter distance from your tripod. Jump around 2 to 3 times and keep around a 1 to 2 second pause between each jump, like this. And just like the split jump, repeat this in 6 locations. And then we'll see the result. You know the drill by now. Connect your phone to your camera, choose your template. AI, show me your best moves. AI hasn't taken over the world just yet, but it did a very good job at deciding our dance moves today, and I can't wait to see the cool moves that you guys have when you try out these ShotLab effects. As always, if you like this video, show some support by liking it and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss our weekly episodes. Chase adventure, lots of love, and I'll see you next week.